Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Portal on Android. While there isn't a native Android version, you have two primary methods to enjoy this classic puzzle game on your mobile device. You can either stream the game from your personal computer or utilize a dedicated cloud gaming service. Both options require a reliable internet connection and, for the best experience, a good quality Bluetooth controller. Let's dive into how each method works to get you playing Portal on the go. Cloud gaming services are an excellent way to play Portal without needing a high-end Android device or a powerful personal computer. Simply subscribe to a service that includes Portal in its library, download their application, and you are ready to play. The game runs on remote servers, streaming the video feed to your phone. For a smooth, lag-free experience, aim for an internet speed of at least 50 megabits per second and a stable Wi-Fi connection. If you already own Portal on PC, you can stream it directly to your Android device. This involves installing a streaming application on both your computer and your phone. Your PC will run the game, and the application will send the video and audio to your Android device while relaying your touch or controller inputs back to the computer. A strong local network connection, preferably 5 GHz Wi-Fi, is crucial for minimal latency and a responsive gaming session. To truly enjoy Portal on your Android device, optimizing your setup is key. A Bluetooth controller is almost essential for the game's precise Portal placement and movement. While streaming, ensure your Android device has at least 4 GB of RAM and close any unnecessary background applications to dedicate resources to the game. Experiment with in-game graphics settings, perhaps lowering them slightly, to achieve a consistent frame rate and a more enjoyable, responsive gameplay experience.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.